Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. You wanna meet her. Quickie meals you can all enjoy at home. I can sense that you hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, it's Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making pepperoni pizza hot sausages. The ingredients that we're going to need today are pizza sauce, Italian seasoning, hot dog buns, mini pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, and also hot sausages. Okay guys, I have a pot of boiling water. Now we're going to add in our hot sausages. We're going to let them cook for 10 to 15 minutes. While we're waiting for our hot sausages to get done, I'm going to shred my mozzarella cheese. Now you want to get a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. Next, get your hot dog buns. Now to our hot dog buns, we're going to add some mozzarella cheese. Now we're going to add our hot sausages. Now to our hot sausages, I'm going to add in our pizza sauce. Now we're just going to add some more mozzarella cheese to the top. You can begin to add on your mini pepperoni. Okay guys, now you can set your oven to 350 degrees. We're going to place them inside our oven for 10 minutes or until all the cheese has melted. Okay guys, look how nicely the cheese has melted. So these are our pepperoni pizza hot sausages. So now you can sprinkle a little bit of Italian seasoning over top if you would like. Look how delicious they look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?